Welcome back to Gypsy HQ. My name is Ray Gretsch, your Gypsy Barman. We're making beautiful summer mojitos. You want beautiful fresh ingredients, so we've got fresh mint. The trick with mint is you want to activate it. So give it a smack, straight into your hurricane glass. 3 beautiful fresh lime wedges, dash of fresh lime, which is really going to make this drink crackle. So 60 mils of spiced rum. Give it a nice muddle. You don't want to muddle too much. Top with ice, right to the top. Get your bar spoon in the bottom so you can scoop all of that yummy goodness straight up to the top, and top with ginger ale. Perfect for garden parties, perfect for sitting at home, or even when you just don't feel like beer and you want something a little more tasty. Garnish with fresh mint, make sure you give it a slap, and then some fresh lime on the top. There you have it. If you feel like your standard mojito and you don't like the spiced rum, very easy, the principle is the same. Fresh activated mint, there's our slap, beautiful fresh lime again, lovely lime juice, standard white rum. And I did think there was a line there, lovely lime juice, magnificent mint. Feels like we're doing a kid story. Don't forget to give it a muddle, top with ice, all the way to the top. Get your bar spoon underneath there so you can pick everything up. Top with soda water or Sublime soda water. Drag everything up, get it all mixed in beautifully. Fresh mint and a lime wedge. We've got your premium and your unleaded, or your standard and your spiced. If you want the Gypsy Barman to come and supply you with mojitos, give us a shout on the links down below. But otherwise, here's cheers. Make sure you give it a slap.
Lost half your mint.
I know.